Once an engine attached to a train was afraid of a few drops of rain. It went into a funnel, and with the streets to its tunnel, never came out again. The engine, who you know is called Henry, his driver and fireman argue with him, but he will not move.
Oh, donkey! The rain will spoil my lovely green paint and red stripes.
The guard blew his whistle until he had no more breath, but Henry still stayed in the tunnel and wheezed steam at him.
I'm not gonna ruin the lovely green stripes and red stripes for you.
Suddenly, along came Sir Topham Hatt, who arrived on Hanazuki as he stopped right next to the tunnel. "We will pull you out instead," but Henry wheezed steam at him. Soon, Henry's driver and fireman attached the rope right into the couplings, and the passengers began to pull until Sir Topham Hatt said, "1, 2, 3, pull!" But Henry still stayed in the tunnel and wouldn't move. So Topham Hatt said, "My doctor has forbidden me to pull." Soon the passengers got around and went to the back, and they began to push. So Topham Hatt said, 1, 2, 3, push! But he didn't move. "My doctor has forbidden me to push." The passengers pushed and pushed harder, but harder and harder, but still, Henry still stayed in the tunnel. "Well, this is not working. Maybe I can get Thomas to do it." Soon, Thomas arrived there and stopped right next to Henry. "Hey, Henry, I'm come to push you out of the tunnel." No, you won't, donkey." Everyone argued, but one of them said, "Hey, the rain has stopped."
Yeah, but what will become of my lovely green painted red stripes right now?
"You know, I don't have time for this. Time to push you out." Thomas pushed and pushed as hard as he could, and pushed and pushed and pushed. But still, Henry stayed in a tunnel.
Come on, Henry, get moving.
Forget this. I'm out of here. Wait, wait, Thomas, get back here. I need you to help me. Oh, God. Eventually, Sir Topham Hatt gave up. "You know what, Henry? I had enough of this. This is not working for you. So, you know what? We're gonna take away your rails and leave you here for always and always and always."
Go ahead, donkey. See what I care.
"All right, bring the wall, man." They took up the old rails and put a wall in front of Henry so he wouldn't come out of the tunnel anymore. Soon, Hanazuki arrived to pick up Henry's coaches. Henry stayed in the tunnel for the rest of the month, and he wouldn't come out again. All could Henry do was watch other trains go by. He was very sad because no one could see his lovely green paint and red stripes again. Luckily, Edward and Gordon would race by right in the tunnel. He would always say, "Hello, Henry." Then Gordon would race by and said, "Oh, serves you right, Henry." Poor Henry could not answer. His fire had gone out. Henry? What the donkey? What are you doing? I'm kind of late right here because since you didn't want to come out of the tunnel, I decided I might have to live out here for like a month with you. Oh, Jesus Christ. Soot and dirt had spoiled this lovely green paint and red stripes anyway. I would wonder what would do if Henry could allow to pull trains again. To be honest, I think he deserved his punishment. Do you?